Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
So, Nigeria, right now, here we are marching again, speaking for Nigerian people, fighting for their rights. Unfortunately, most of the people are incapacitated. They don't even know it is their war. Well, they've told us the hungry people are on the street. So those people that are not on the streets, they are well fed. Are they fully well fed? Because they don't know what to do. They don't know how to follow people. They don't even have aspirations. They've given up. They are so frustrated. They want to leave the nation. So it is time again for Nigerians to speak the truth to power. The power is there in a democracy. Every citizen should be active. So we are simply saying, end to palliative distribution, looting of our public wealth in the name of whatsoever they want to call it. We're asking for everybody's incapacitation. One, if the capacity of the people is not built through educational system and their health secured, their life through the healthcare system, then there's no nation. We're tired of running out of Nigeria. We have a Nigeria to fight.
Okay, so the Nigerian government right now, they are trying to make agencies together and everything so as to support government spending. What is your view on this?
It's very simple. Yes, we have duplicity of duties in Nigeria. People creating agencies to absorb their children that they produce over time. So now, it is time to make sure that we are not going to increase overhead costs. Because now that they are merging them together, giving them new names, stationaries will increase, offices will be abandoned. So in a bid to cut costs, we're going to create more money for some contractors. That means whatever they're going to do, they shouldn't increase the cost of governance. So if it is the name of reduction of costs, are people going to do their job? In this process, will they be mobilizing people to other states? In this process, what is going to happen in the merger? We need details, and we must do it at a very reduced cost.
The Nigerian custom last week, they came out, they said 50 kg. Of rice, they are going to sell it for 10,000 naira. 25 kg. And the first question I asked myself was, Nigeria, we are not in a war. Why are we living like refugees?
We are at war. We are at war. But we are pretending we're not at war. And the worst kind of war is a covert war, where a class is fighting you and you're pretending there's no war. There is war. We're saying there's no war. There is war when children cannot feed. There is war when women cannot have birth in peace and are not sure they're going to live the next day because they're pregnant, producing life and dying artists. There is war when our youth don't have jobs. There is war when women come out and say they're the mothers of their own boys. There is war when men cannot find jobs to do. There is war when there's a secret that people cannot go to their farm. Yes, there is war.
Thank you.
There is war.
Thank you very much, Comrade Casey. And right now we have another gallant. Okay, so right now we have another gallant comrade here with us. He's a youth and he looks very gallant. Unemployment rate is on the increase. That's very high. As a Nigerian